Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Jackie here, and I'm back with a super quick video, so you gotta pay attention and get your notebooks ready. So we're gonna start off with the P. Louise Rumor 2 base, and then the first shade we're gonna pick up is out of the Profusion Confidence palette, and the shade is called Secure. It's like a really pretty orange shade, and I'm gonna be using my Morphe 505 brush to place that color onto my lid. Actually, I'm gonna be using this color as my transition, and then working it up toward my brow bone. So to deepen my crease, I'm going to pick up that shade Secure. It's like a burgundy shade, and I'm going to be using my Sedona Lace EB9 brush to place that shade in my crease, just to deepen my crease a little bit. So now I'm just going to take some of that P. Louise base and apply a little teeny bit to the back of my hand and place it on my eyelid with my Sedona Lace EB13 brush. Then going into the shade Winning, it's like a matte white shade. I'm going to be using my Morphe, my Morphe 504 brush to place that shade onto my lid. Then we're going to go back into the Morphe 505 brush, and whatever product is left from that brush, which is that orange shade, I'm just going to kind of soften up the outer corners of my eye, kind of like so that it'll fade in a little bit with that orange into the white. So for liner, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and I had to fast forward this because, you guys, it took entirely too long, and I didn't want this video to be that long. For lashes, I'm going to be applying the Miss 3D Lash, and then for my face, I'm going to prime with the Maybelline Master Prime, and I did moisturize before I turned my camera on, guys, so yeah, I always moisturize, and I recommend that everyone moisturize, no matter what type of skin you have. Find the moisturizer that is good for your skin. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Nars. And then for my concealer, I'm using the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer in the shade Natural Sand. And then to give my eyes a little lift, I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige. And as you can see, guys, I almost squirted some in my eyes. Okay, so I blended that all out. Now I'm just going to set those areas with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I am not going to bake. I am just going to set those areas just with a little bit of powder. Now it's time to warm up this face. I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deepest. And I'm just going to bronze up my face and also give myself a nice little contour. And I'm going to use this shade as well to contour my nose. So to make sure that my makeup is all in place and everything is set like it should be, I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder and just apply very little bit on my face. As you guys can see, I just used what was ever in the cap. You don't need a lot at all. So you guys know that I love blush, so I'm going to be going in with the NYX Blush in the shade Cinnamon and just apply a little bit just to give me a little pop of color on the cheeks. So I'm going to go ahead and drench my face with my setting spray. I do not want a cakey look. So once I do that, I'm going to apply my highlighter. And I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. And I believe, what is the shade? The shade is Molten Gold. And then I'm going to go on top of that with my Joe Michelle highlighter in the shade Negril. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Milani Matte Innocence. And the liner I'm going to be using is the MAC lip liner in the color Soar. And then I'm going to top it with my Jordana Easy Liner in the shade Eggplant. So I'm just going to spray my face one last time so that my makeup is melted nicely into the skin and it looks like skin. And I'm just going to press that setting spray into my face just to make sure that everything is just in there, locked and loaded. And that concludes my look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, share it, all that good stuff. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys.